My reaction with the whole salary increase for the government, everybody deserves to get raised, don't get me wrong. But I think that was too much and too fast. You understand me? Over 300% increase, and they're not even willing to increase as regular worker more than 10%. So I think that was just too drastic for one. I think them basically held Jamaica like ransom.
I think it's excessive. It's way overboard. Because I look at all the teachers and all the other public servant persons who were just the other day striking and doing all of that to get a little increase, and they were negotiating the hell out of it. And for them to go and do this now, it's too much. I mean, even if it was I would be fine with 70%. I mean, it's overdue for them when they just came in power. We know they didn't take a salary raise. But that amount is excessive. No, absolutely ridiculous.
It's too much, brother. It can't work. That's too much in a one go. Him should have, if I even 2 more million added to it, 3 more, it would have good. But whole of 25, too much of that, brother. And it's a pressure into the whole entire country. Yeah, man.
I don't think they should have get that high increase. Not say them not deserve to get high increase, but that is way too much. That is way too much. Because we the taxpayers, them are going to dig with them harder to pay for them get that. That is it. Teachers deserve it because they work hard in the classroom for it. So we know that already. That's it.
Well, honestly, I don't think they should have gotten an increase now based on how the economy is going. So I think it is totally unfair for them to get an increase at this time. I don't think it makes sense.
I was shocked, an almost 200% increase when minimum wage got only $4,000 as an increase. And I think Jamaica should do an all-island strike. Nobody should go to work because this has to change. That's my thought.